chop some snow of peas, zucchini and asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Show some garlic who's boss. Grate the skin off of 1 lemon, mince some happy herbs. Pan fry some salmon in olive oil until cooked through. In the same pan start melting some butter, the more the butter. Add in the minced garlic, some chicken stock, lemon zest and some cream. Season with pepper, dill and chilli flakes. Add pasta that's been cooked according to package instructions and the vegetables that have been blanched for 2 minutes. Stir and cook until the sauce has thickened. Flake over the cooked salmon. Serve with some fresh lemon, extra dill and chilli flakes.